Now we will see some MCQs on this thermodynamics part. Here is the first MCQ, that in thermodynamic process 200 joule of heat is given to a gas, means heat is supplied, that is delta Q, it is equal to 200 joule, and 100 joule of work is also done on it, means work is done of 100 joule. So W is 100 joule. Now the change in internal energy of the gas. Now we have to find out change in the internal energy. Now here, before performing the solving the problem, here work is done. This is 100 joule of work is also done on it. So for that we have to take 100 joule is minus. We know according to the thermodynamic first law, delta Q, it is equal to delta U plus W. As we have to find out this delta U, that is the change in internal energy, delta U will be equal to delta Q minus W. So here delta U, it is equal to, delta Q is given 200 joule minus work done, that is minus 100 joule. So minus minus get plus, that is delta U is equal to 200 plus 100. So it will be 300 joule. So in our options, you see here 100 joule, 300 joule, 419 joule and 24 joule. So answer will be here option B, 300 joule. So for that you have to know the formula delta Q is equal to delta U plus W. MCQ may be asked on this formula also. It will be arranged in different manner and you have to select the correct one. Now the second question is, that is on the work done and volume that is performed by the work done. An ideal gas of volume 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube and at pressure 1 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So this is the pressure, and supplied with 70 joule of energy. Now the volume increases to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. So volume will be increases and pressure remains constant. Means here pressure remains constant, only volume is changes. So what will be the internal energy of the gas? The question is, we have to find out the internal energy, and for that first we have to find out the work done. So here first we will write the data, that is P1 is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. P2 is 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Then the energy, that is delta Q is 70 joule, and it is volume. This is V1 and it is V2. How to find out delta U? So for that we have to first we know what is the work done. So what is the work done and the formula of work done we have studied that W is equal to P into V2 minus V1. So here pressure is also given, that is P is equal to 1.0, this is pressure, into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So first we will obtain W is equal to P in bracket V2 minus V1. If you substitute 1 into 10 to the power 5 in bracket 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 minus 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we will get W is equal to, here it will be remain same 10 to the power 5 into, it will be 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 0.2 into 10 to the power, here 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So we can write here W, that is equal to, if we increase the 2 digits, that is 20 joule. As we give the we get the work done in positive, so that may be work is, it is total energy or internal energy, it is increased by, sorry, we will get only the work done. Now with the help of this work done and amount of the energy, that is the 70, we will obtain the formula for the delta Q, and delta Q is equal to delta U plus W. So delta U will be equal to delta Q minus W. In our question, the delta Q is, that is 70 joule minus work done is 20 joule. So the total internal energy is 50 joule. As internal energy in positive form, we can get the answer, that is increased by 50 joule. So option C is correct one, increased by 50 joule. So this will be the answer. Now next article is the important one, that is perfectly black body. It is as per the board exam, there may be questions on this article, or maybe question for draw the figure for about a fairy's black body. And in this exam, just before 2 months are conducted, 3 marks of the question is asked on this article. So it is important one. So first we will take that, what is perfectly black body? It means that a body made, or naturally there may be a body that can absorb all the radiant heat which is incident on it. There should not be the heat that can be reflected or that can be transmitted. That is the wastage of the heat energy. So to avoid this wastage of heat energy, black body, perfectly black body is trying to organize or made. In nature there is no perfectly such body. If we observe, then lamp black, it can absorb maximum amount of the radiant heat, but it is also absorbs 98% of the radiant heat which is incident on it. 98% can absorb, but 2% can be waste. It may be reflect or it may be transmit. So the scientist Ferri, he made such a black body, due to which it constructs such that 100% of the incident radiations, they can be absorbed by this body. This body is consist of the double-walled hollow metal sphere. You see here, these are the two walls. So double wall, and there is the hollow, it is metal sphere, and this is having a evacuated space between the two walls. There is the space, evacuated space between the two walls. Due to that, the body can avoid the conduction and convection of the heat energy. So this is about the double wall hollow metal sphere. Then second is here, you see a small aperture is there through which incident radiant heat and radiations can be incident on this body, and there should be a projection, conical projection in front of this body, in front of this radiations. So through this aperture, incident radiations are passing through this aperture. Third one is here, this inner side of the body, it is lamp black. You know, here 98% of the radiant heat is absorbed by the lamp black. So here it is lamp black. So due to that, maximum amount of heat can be easily absorbed. And the outer layer or outer surface is coated with silver. Silver coating is there. Then nickel polished are also there. And when a incident radiation is incident on the tip of the conical projection, then you see here this radiation will suffers multiple total internal reflections, and these 2% of the reflections radiations, due to the reflections, they can absorb by this body. It means that 100% of the incident radiant energy, it can be absorbed by this Ferri's black body. So it is important, and we can save the heat radiant energy that may be reflected or transmitted, and they can be waste and not of use to absorb all these incident radiations. (303) minus 273. Now 273 upon, what is the difference is? It is difference of the 30. 273 upon 30, that answer will be for 91 upon 10. So the answer will be here 9.1. So it is nearly equal to 9. Now our work done is given, that is 1 joule. For Q Q1 is equal to, so Q1, it is equal to Q2 plus W, that is equal to, here Q2 is 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10 joule. So here we will get this answer is 10 joule, and in our options 10 joule, 20 joule, 30 joule, 50 joule, 10 joule is the correct answer. So this will be the answer. So we have to solve the questions on the refrigerator or heat engine in this manner, and generally there will be one question on this thermodynamics and especially on heat engine, refrigerator, etc. Okay.